As indicated by the in every practical sense, most recent fundamentally long-haul figure, Axie cost will hit $8 by the center of 2023 and afterward $12 toward the finish of 2024. Axie will ascend to $15 inside the extended period of 2025, $20 in 2027 and $25 in 2031. Axie value expectation 2023 to 2024. Axie cost essentially begun in 2023 at $6, which by and large is very huge. Today, Axie exchanged at $7.38. So the cost expanded by 23% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 explicitly is $8.72 in the year-to-year change plus 45%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 18%. In 2023, we in a real sense hope to see $8.24 per one Axie in a sort of significant manner. In the principal half of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $11.34. In the exact moment around 50% of the cost would add $1.26 and close the year at $12.60, which basically is plus 71% to the ongoing cost. The conjecture for later, close to days and months: Monday, May 8th $7.40, Tuesday, May 9th $7.42, Wednesday, May 10th $7.43, Thursday, May 11th $7.45, Friday, May 12th $7.46, Saturday, May 13th $7.48, Sunday, May 14th $7.49, Monday, May 15th $7.51, June 15th $8.00, July 15th $8, the 28th of August 15th $8.36, September 15th $8.44, October 15th $8.52. Axie expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $12.60 to $24.80, which is up 97%. Axie will begin 2025 at $12.60, then take off to $13.56 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $15.59. That implies plus 111% from today. Axie forecast 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Axie cost would ascend from $24.80 to $29.47, which is plus 19%, in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie will begin 2030 at $24.80, then, at that point, dip to $23.31 inside the main portion of the year, and really finish 2030 at $24.62. It basically is about plus 233% from today. Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024. Axie cost really begun in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $9.05. So the cost expanded by 51% from the outset of the year. The determined Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 basically is $15.38 in the year-to-year change plus 156%, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The ascent from today to year-end plus 70%. In 2023, we hope to especially see $10.61 per one Axie. In the primary portion of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $16.72. In the final part, the cost would add $1.45 and certainly close the year at $18.17, which is plus 101% to the ongoing value, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $18.17 to $29.46, which fundamentally is up 62%. Axie will begin 2025 at $18.17, then dip to $17.65 inside the initial half year of the year and for the most part finish 2025 at $20.30. That implies plus 124% from today. Axie forecast 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Axie cost would ascend from $29.46 to $42.34, which is plus 44%. Axie will begin 2030 at $29.46, then truly take off to $31.23 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $32.99. It is about plus 264% from today, or so they thought. 0401 2023 Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024. Axie cost basically begun in 2023 at $6, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Today, Axie exchanged at $8.42. So the cost expanded by 40% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $15.05 and the year-to-year change plus 151%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 79%. In 2023, we hope to see $10.38 per 1 Axie. In the primary portion of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $16.37. In every way that really matters, last part, the cost would add $1.42 and close the year at $17.79, which is plus 111% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $17.79 to $28.81, which is up 62%. Axie will in a real sense start 2025 at $17.79, then, at that point, dip to $17.28 inside the initial half year of the year and generally finish 2025 at $19.87, which for the most part is very huge. That implies plus 136% from today. Axie forecast 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Axie cost would basically ascend from $28.81 to $41.41, which is plus 44%. Axie will begin 2030 at $28.81, then take off to $30.54 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $32.26. It is about plus 283% from today, which certainly is genuinely huge. 03/15/2023 Axie value expectation 2023 to 2024 Axie cost in a real sense began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $8.76. So the cost expanded by 46% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $15.75 and the year-to-year change plus 163%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 80%. In 2023, we hope to see $10.86 per 1 Axie. In the principal half of 2024, the Axie cost will basically move to $17.51. In the final part, the cost would add $1.33 and close the year at $18.84, which is plus 115% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would generally move from $18.84 to $34.82, which truly is up 85%. Axie will begin 2025 at $18.84, then in a real sense take off to $22.23 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $25.56. That implies plus 192% from today in an unobtrusive manner. Axie expectation 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Axie cost would truly ascend from $34.82 to $46.27, which in a real sense is plus 33%, which is very critical. Axie will really begin 2030 at $34.82, then, at that point, generally take off to $36.91 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $38.99. It is about plus 345% from today. 0301